Alright, check it out. I got a touch. My new Kerokoid touch, and with my HD touch recorder, I'm gonna make a touch review of my iPod touch. Here it is, right here. Man, this is fake. The guy in the top looked reputable. No, that is actually a lie. Not only is it not 32 gigabytes, it's actually only 32 gigabytes of memory in it. And not only that, when I hooked it up to my computer, screenshot, I should get a charger for it. Music file. It had auto file on it, and it tried to put a file on my computer. It's even got the Apple logo on the back too, with Apple Kevin P on my iPod. So the build quality of the device is the worst I've seen. So you hold it down, eventually it'll come on. The manual actually claims it's a multi-touch touch screen. That is funny. If you press down here. Alright, let's hit F10. See, I keep going to do this keyboard for crying out loud. Wow, that's the most basic BIOS setup I've ever seen. It's not just a cell phone. It's a cell phone, a Motorola cell phone from Cellular One. It doesn't sell on its own. So we have to do the review in my cell phone. Let's go ahead and pull it out, see what we can do.